All right, you've reached the end of the semester, you've completed your key assignments for this course, and now it's time to start putting together your senior portfolio. It is so important that you start doing this now instead of waiting for the very end of your experience here so that you can reduce some stress. Let's do a little negative reinforcement, right? Start your portfolio now to eliminate the stress later. So what I'm going to show you in this video is how to download the template, how to know which assignments you need, and how to start setting up your portfolio. So here I am on the UVU School of Education website, www.uvu.edu/education. We're going to go over here to the secondary education area and then choose student information right there. Scroll down. You'll see there's information about your senior project that you're going to have to do while you're either interning or student teaching. Keep coming down. There are some resources for you like the lesson plan form and stuff like that. Information about the praxis exams and licensure requirements, and then we get down here. So we have information about the senior portfolio, we have the list of portfolio requirements, and we have the in-task standards. So if you click on the senior portfolio link, it kind of tells you about the senior portfolio and then what folders and assignments you need. Now this may vary a little bit depending on when you started the program. The assignments do change periodically. So you'll want to check with Professor Clark or Dr. Hudgens to see which assignments apply to you. But for most of you, these should be the correct assignments or whatever's on the website at this time. All right, so you scroll down. And then there's a link right here that says go to the SeniorPortfolio Template. This is something that I made for everybody, and it basically just has all of these folders already made for you. So all you have to do is download it. So we're going to click on SeniorPortfolio Template right there, and it brings you to this little page I made. And if you'll scroll down, it has the portfolio templates since 2009. In here, so that should apply to most of you. And then it has instructions here about what to do with the file that you'll find here. So these are zipped files. That means that I've taken all the folders that you'll need for your portfolio and I've zipped them up into a little container. What you're going to do is click on this. Oh, sorry. They changed it. You're going to click on the arrow over here to the right to download that zipped folder. That'll download onto your computer. And then you'll need to unzip that folder. Hopefully you have a utility on your computer that'll do that for you. Mine just does it automatically, but I do have some steps on the website that explain how all of that works. Okay. Alright, so once you get that downloaded and unzipped, if you open that up, see here are all the folders you need, and then within each folder, there's a folder for each assignment that you need. So in this class, we did 2 key assignments. We did the field response journal and the assessment inventory. You need to make sure before you leave this class that you have a digital copy of the completed version of both of those assignments. Not the graded version. You don't need my comments, but you do need a complete version. So for example, all 8 of your field response journal part 1s and part 2 all put together. You need for the assessment inventory everything from the title sheet to the final reflection and everything in between. So make sure you have your own digital copy of that and then make several copies just in case. So if we open up the instruction and planning folder, you'll see there's a folder there for the field response journal. Open that up. Then what you'll do is open a new, this is how I do it anyway, open a new Internet Explorer, Windows Explorer window, or Finder window if you're on a Mac, and go and find that key assignment. So I'm going to go find an example of a field response journal here. I've only got a few seconds left on my video, so I need to hurry. Here's some examples. So I'm going to take my field response journal, I'm going to copy it, and then I'll just paste it into the senior portfolio. That's it. You need to do that with both of your key assignments. Start it now. Don't procrastinate.